Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates. How to delete remote branches. So we have a remote branch Jabra. So let's try to delete this. So git push origin and delete the Jabra branch. So by issuing this command, it should delete the Jabra from the remote repository. So let's switch here, look at here, and if I refresh this page, the Jabra is gone here. So from the remote repository, Jabra is gone, whereas on the local repository we still have Jabra. So let's delete from the local repository, git branch delete Jabra. It should give us error because we are on the Jabra, so we cannot delete the current branch. So we have to check out master and git delete git branch delete Jabra. So here we can see the error. The branch Jabra is not fully merged. So there is a commit. There is a new commit. No one else is pointing to that commit, whereas Jabra was pointing to that specific commit, and now it is telling us like it's not wise, it's not safe to delete that branch. So it's also suggesting us, if you're sure you want to delete it, run this command git branch -t Jabra. So let's use this git capital D. Now this branch is deleted. Let's look at git log graph all one line. So we can see here the Jabra is gone. We have I guess a commit that Jabra was pointing is also gone, it's not there anymore. Let's look at the visualized way. Let's see if we can find out there. Yeah, here we can see we are currently on the master, the zebra branches. So that's how we can delete our remote branches. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next lecture.